Install the floor bolts into the flange channels. Position them 6 apart and parallel to the side wall. Carefully turn the toilet on its side, install the wax ring onto the drain hole at the bottom of the ceramic toilet, and press it firmly into place. Lift the ceramic toilet and gently lower it onto the flange. Aligning the bolts with the mounting holes, press down firmly on the ceramic toilet to ensure the wax ring forms a complete seal. Place the plastic washers onto the bolts, followed by the metal washers, and then the nuts. Tighten the nuts securely to ensure the toilet is firmly seated on the floor. Put the caps on the nuts. Insert the tank bolts with rubber washers into the mounting holes at the bottom of the tank. Place the rubber washers and metal washers successively onto the bolts and tighten the bolts with nuts to create the seal. Attach the large rubber sealing gasket to the outlet under the tank. Gently place the tank on the bowl. Align the bolts with the mounting holes on the bowl and then tighten the bolts with washers and wing nuts. Make sure the water tank is secure. Insert the 2 plastic anchors into the holes on the toilet bowl and push them in until fully seated. Open the hinge cover on the seat and place the toilet seat and lid on the bowl. Put the provided metal washers onto the seat hinge holes and then insert the lock screws. Adjust the seat position and align the toilet seat to the top rim of the toilet bowl. Tighten the hinges with a screwdriver. Close the decorative hinge cover. Connect the flexible water hose to the toilet tank. Connect the water hose to the angle valve. Tighten the coupling nuts by a quarter turn beyond hand tight. Turn on the angle valve on the water supply pipe and allow the tank to fill. Once the tank is filled with water, flush it 4 to 5 times to test the flushing system. At the same time, check the bottom of the toilet for leakage to ensure that the wax ring is properly installed and sealed. If there is no leakage, you are ready to finalize the installation.